Hi, my name is Anna Rostolfi. I'm a final year BTech Computer Science Engineering student at College of Engineering, Kidamon. For the past 1 month, I did my internship at WebStack Academy, where we built an AI-powered food ordering web application using the MERN stack. In this video, I will explain what I have learned through this internship, how I built it, and then show a quick demo of the project. Let me start with a quick overview. I interned at WebStack Academy for 1 month under the mentorship of Richa ma'am. Uh, the project was an AI-powered food ordering app built using the MERN stack. The main goal wasn't just to learn the theory, it was actually to understand how full stack development and AI integration work in practice. During this month, I learned three main things: the basics of full stack development, how to add AI features into a project, and good coding habits like using Git, GitHub, and Postman. We built this app using the MERN stack, that is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. In simple terms, MongoDB stores all the data, that is menus, users, orders, restaurant details, etc. Express and Node run on the server and handle requests coming in. React builds the actual screens the user sees and interacts with. Richa ma'am explained this using diagrams, which made it really easy to picture how a request travels from screen to the server to the database and back. Alongside this, we use Postman to test our backend routes. Ma'am also explained about Git and GitHub tools and how to use it. The part I enjoyed the most was adding AI to the project. We use Grok API to build natural language search, so instead of typing exact keywords, users can type something like a spicy vegetarian dinner and the app finds matching food. Ma'am explained why we use Grok API instead of connecting to an AI model directly, because it's fast, it's simple to connect to through an API, and it's just the right fit for a small project like ours. We didn't need to build or host a model ourselves, and we didn't jump straight into the main project. We learned this step by step. First, a small practice project just to get comfortable with React, then a simple project to understand how the Grok API works, and only after that did we bring both the skills together into our actual food ordering app project. Now, let's move on to the project demo. So, this is the project that we have built so far. It consists of all restaurants, and then while clicking on a restaurant, you can see all the dishes there, um, which is divided into different sections like charts, main course, etc. And each dish consists of its title, an AI generated description, as well as the prices. When we click on add to cart, it will direct you to the login page. If you are not uh, if you are a first user, then you can take the new user. um, Once we logged in, we can look onto our profile, where we can edit the profile as well. We can edit our avatar as well. There are no order records. Um, Now we can add to cart. By going to the cart, we can see all the food items that we have selected, and also we can change the quantity. as well as a delete something as well. So by clicking on checkout page, it will get redirected to Stripe account where we need to write our name and the address. So order is placed. When we go to the orders, we can see our order ID and the order details. Also, we can sort out using pure veg, sort by ratings, sort by reviews as well. Also, we can see a summary which is generated by AI. So I logged in again. Um, Here we can see different details of different users, restaurants, etc. If I change user role to admin, then it shows all restaurants present. We can delete all those restaurants also. We can create new restaurants. Something like this. I have already created one. By clicking this, we can add menus like starters, main course. Okay, for the starters, we can give some name, price, and AI can describe it. So a new item is added. We also can delete this one. We can also delete already existing restaurants also. That's all about the project. Outside of the main project, we also had a session on building ATS friendly resumes and how to describe our projects clearly for the hiring processes. We also had a good discussion on why fundamentals still matter even now in the age of AI assisted vibe coding. Even with AI tools writing code for us, it's still important to understand that what's actually happening underneath. Overall, this was a short internship, but I learned a lot because everything was taught so simply and practically. Nothing was heavy theory. A big thank you to Richa ma'am and WebStack Academy for this opportunity. Thank you.